My name is Yvonne Chen. I'm a faculty at UCLA in the Department of Microbiology, Immunology, and Molecular Genetics. My research group works on developing CAR T-cell therapy for cancer, and I'm one of the inaugural recipients of CRI's Lloyd J.O. Star Award. I'm a chemical engineer by training. All of my degrees are in chemical engineering, but I've always wanted to work on things that can actually help people. And cancer immunotherapy was a great opportunity where I can apply my biomolecular engineering skills to the development of therapies that really can make a difference for patients. My research group at UCLA works on engineering CAR T-cell therapy for cancer, and CAR stands for chimeric antigen receptor. So that's a synthetic human-made protein composed of parts that we take from different kinds of naturally occurring proteins. And the objective is we can engineer white blood cells, which we call T cells, to recognize and kill tumor cells. And the hope is that we can now produce a living drug that can seek out and eliminate tumors in a very precise manner, such that we can spare the healthy tissue, but very efficiently get rid of the tumor for our patients. The challenges in our work are multifold, right? The first is we're clearly asking a very difficult question. And so coming up with a solution in and of itself can be technically challenging. The second thing is it takes a long time. Most of our therapies, and by our, I don't just mean my research lab, I mean the field as a whole, right? Takes years, if not decades, to develop. So there's a component of time that makes it challenging. And thirdly, it's very expensive, right? And it's a combination of the fact that it's technically challenging and it takes a long time, and therefore it takes a lot of financial resources as well as infrastructure resources to perform this kind of research. And CRI has played a role in addressing each of these challenges because, number one, it provides sustained financial support, multi-year financial support, so that we can actually focus our minds on solving the technical challenges of these problems. And secondly, by building a community of researchers, we can draw on each other's technical competencies and start pursuing solutions that we may not on our own as individual researchers be able to come up with in the beginning, right? And so I think CRI has played a very instrumental role, certainly in our own research development in addressing these major challenges of this area. We definitely cannot do our research the way we currently do it without funding from CRI and agencies that support this kind of high-risk, high-reward approach. Because of CRI, we are able to take risks and try new ideas, knowing that sometimes it would fail, but that it's okay. That we, as long as we put in careful thought in the design and execution of the project, that we are allowed to try these new ideas despite the risk of failing from time to time. CRI has a long history of being a very successful, productive, and supportive organization. And looking forward, I think CRI will further expand on the success it has already had and build an even wider, more vibrant research community, focusing on different approaches to develop new cancer therapies for our patients.